General Dogan says he struggled with drug addiction and served a long prison sentence before ending up in a tent here on downtown Los Angeles' Skid Row. He says it is outrageous that the U.S. Supreme Court is allowing cities to ban people from sleeping in public spaces.
I tell people all the time, I said, they want to get tough, come on, bring it on, we can get tough. You know what I mean? Because if it ain't nowhere to go, it ain't nowhere to go. You know what I mean? What you gonna do? We don't care what you say in the Supreme Court.
About a month after June's Supreme Court ruling authorizing states to arrest homeless people, California Governor Gavin Newsom ordered state agencies to clear the streets. That's cruel, says Pete White, an executive director at Los Angeles Community Action Network, a grassroots organization on Skid Row.
A declaration of sorts that says there is no help for you. There is no room for you at the end. We are willing to invest more money into policing than into housing. They are attempting to police themselves out of a social crisis.
The Union Rescue Mission has been serving homeless populations in the area for 130 years. Interim mission president Jeff Hudson supports the Supreme Court ruling.
The decision is a logical decision between balancing the rights of individuals to have stores open, to have businesses open, and the rights of individuals to have housing and shelter. And so the Supreme Court came down on the side of the individuals who want to open businesses and want to be in business and want to use the sidewalks.
Hudson says the challenge is finding shelter for the city's roughly 70,000 homeless. Jody Cobb was homeless for 10 years. Today she's a program assistant at the mission. She says being on heavy drugs meant she couldn't make the right decisions, and her forceful removal from the street ultimately helped her.
I was placed in mental institutions, court-ordered. I was placed into rehab, court-ordered. Even if it wasn't what I wanted to do, I know that being sewed into my life at that time, even though I didn't want it, it reaped and it sewed back. Because look at now, right? I was in psych wards and they said I would never work again.
Since the governor's action, Los Angeles has reported a 10% drop in people sleeping outside. San Francisco, widely known for its homeless population, is seeing its first clear sidewalks in decades. Homeless activists say that despite those statistics, the number of people who need help is the same. They are just less visible. Genia Dulot, VOA News, Los Angeles.